Hi everyone, today the Astra convertible 2010 came here, and the problem is the boot have a problem and the roof have a problem. Convertible roof can't open it, and if you can diagnose the car, and then you can see what code is coming. We have to go to the electro hydraulic hard top. That's the option. We have to go in and we have to check, and then you can see here is two code coming, B3001-06 Trunk lid open, sensor circuit open or low voltage, and the other code is coming B131F-61 Motor trunk lid restricted circuit open or relay stuck. If you have the problem of this one, you can't close the boot, and that's the common problem. And if you have any problem like this, you have to bring the car to us. Car will be ready like 3 to 4 hours, and we are in Hounslow near Heathrow, and my phone number is 074025368382, and you can bring the car, take a cup of coffee, and car will be ready into 3 to 4 hours. You can check my other videos. We can repair all type of Astras, ECUs, gearboxes, BCMs, and if you have any problem, you can contact us anytime through WhatsApp, email, or you can call and book the appointment and bring the car, and we can fix your car. Thank you. Take care. Bye.